I think the biggest thing for us livability-wise was having a space within the home that we could entertain.
The one thing for me would have to be the kitchen great room combination.
Yeah.
It just
Perfect.
makes it the ultimate entertaining space for us, and we both have fairly large families and a large network of friends, and to be able to house them all in one area without having somebody have to be, you know, in a bedroom and then somebody else be in a living room and then a family, and we can all come together in just one harmonious space, and that's truly what makes me happy.
And then also being able to have a community where we can take our kids to school or maybe even walk them to school and have other amenities around us that we could utilize.
And then for us, living within a gated community as well, just provided that livability factor that we were looking for.